Okay, so this is a quick video to show you how to apply fabric to your garment. So you'll want to choose library over on the left-hand side, and there's a little tab for a menu item for fabric. I'm going to double click it. And again, right here, sometimes if you have that, it means you need to download. There's like updates, so you could do that if you wanted to. And then you just need to find what fabric you're using. My girl, I'm kind of just using muslin. I don't even know. I haven't checked yet to see if they have that. But it looks like they have lots of woven fabrics here. They also have lots of knits. Oh, here we are. They do have muslin. Great. It's alphabetical order. They have different weights of muslin. So maybe for me, I'll do this big, thick one. And now how do I apply it, right? So I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to just select all these pieces. And I'm going to take my muslin and click, drag, and drop. Will that do it? Let's check. Yes, it did. I think it did the first time too, actually. So this guy I'm going to delete because I don't really need him. Great. Now I also said to change the color too. So let's make sure that I apply that for every single piece. Yes. Looks like all the pieces now have muslin because I can see it over here on the right-hand side under the object browser when it's selected. If nothing's, oh, even if nothing's selected, it's still there. How about that? Okay, and then I also want to open up Property Editor. And let's see if I can find this fabric. It says it's muslin. That's good. Okay. Oh, and then, okay, so actually what I think I need to do is click the muslin, okay? So I selected it right here, and it has texture, normal map, all this stuff, and then has color. Right now there's no color associated. So if I click this white box, I can choose a color. If you know the color code, like sometimes when I'm in Illustrator, I might pick a particular color that I really like, and if I double click it, that's my color code. I can copy it. Come back. There we are. And then you can paste it right there too. If there's a particular color that you want, that's an option. Let's see if that worked. Oh no, it did not. So let's try again. Here we are. Oh, so okay. You know what? I pasted it in the wrong spot. Did I? Oh gosh. What am I doing? I'm stuck. Okay, I'm gonna cancel because I'm going crazy. Oh my gosh, something is crazy. I don't know if I can get out of this. Okay. Woo. Man, hope that doesn't happen to you. Okay, there we are. I shouldn't have picked that one. I should have picked this one. There we are. Okay, it's that pinkish color there. And now all the pieces are that color. So that's how you do it. So again, like if there's some image you see from the internet that you're just inspired by, you know, I don't know. You just found a color and you're like, I love this color. You know, if you screenshot it, again, I always put stuff in Illustrator. And then you can eyedrop it and try to figure out what color it is. Now, when you zoom in, you're going to see it's really pixelated. So there's all these like little boxes you can pick. And you can see all the little boxes here because it's a photograph. So when you eyedrop, you want to make sure you get the right color box, whatever it is. And then you can double click it and boom, there's the color code that you're looking for. And then you can copy and paste that into Clo. So let's go ahead and see what our girl looks like right now. My computer screen's so small, I'm gonna get rid of all that. Okay, yeah, look at her. She's pink, isn't she? So that's how you do it. I have a feeling you guys already knew that, but just in case, some of you guys are doing so great in the software. It's really inspiring. Okay. Let me know if you guys run into anything, issues, or have questions.